Hi, CJ with Diode Dynamics, and today we're going to go over and install our tailless turn kit for the 2022 Subaru WRX. If you're unfamiliar with our tailless turn modules, they simply convert the factory LED taillights on your WRX to also function as a turn signal, instantly customizing your vehicle with a much more modern appearance on the road. Also available with this kit are additional backup lights so you can convert your old turn signal socket into extra reverse light. With double the number of backup lights, you'll add much more visibility when reversing at night. Each kit is already configured to accomplish this. Just make sure to select the white LEDs at checkout. LEDs must be used over halogen since we'll be drawing power from the reverse light circuit. This kit also features OEM taillight connectors, making the kit 100% plug and play that can be done easily in minutes without any extra wiring. Thanks to Heavy Metal WRX for letting us use his vehicle. Let's show you how to install it now. To start our installation off, we'll first need to pop the trunk, grab a trim removal tool, and a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the plastic clip holding on our taillight trim. Then, using a trim removal tool, we'll pop off the plastic cover by prying in between the trunk and the cover. Using a 10mm socket, we'll then want to remove the two bolts holding on the taillight. There's one more fastener holding the taillight into place in the outer corner. To remove the taillight, we'll simply slide the taillight away from the body, popping it out of place, followed by disconnecting it. Next, we can plug our new tailless turn module in line between the factory connector and the taillight. We can now go ahead and replace the stock halogen signal bulb with the new Diode Dynamics LED bulb. In this case, we're installing our 7443 XPRs. If you choose not to add the additional reverse light, you'll still need to remove the factory bulb at this time. Before completely reinstalling our tail lamp, we can check the polarity of the LED bulbs. If the bulb doesn't light up, don't worry, just flip it 180 degrees and plug it back in. Now you can completely reinstall your taillight and repeat the same steps on the other side. As you can see with the Diode Dynamics tailless turn module installed, not only does it give the rear of your vehicle that modern styling when signaling, but it will provide you with a ton of extra light output when backing up. If you're looking to pick up a tailless turn module for your vehicle or any of our other products, you can visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. If you'd like to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.